Hey everyone, so here is Lolli app where you can earn cash of Bitcoin, basically getting free rewards or cash back when you're shopping at specific stores like eBay, Expedia, Nike, Priceline, and all of that. So yep, that's the app. It's 80 megabyte size. It has 15K ratings, 4.9 average review. So that's an interesting app for sure. Let's just explore it. I think it's already installed here. So there you have it. That's the app. And then you just need to join an account. Okay, so I think it's only can be like a US phone number. So, okay, just for the sake of this video, I'll show you just how to create an account. I will use another app. And then I just need to verify my number. So seems it's not arriving. So in case it doesn't work, you can send a new code. Or you can just contact support. That's about it.